Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your boy, Snacks, the Druid, Lumber Snack for short. Um, and today, I'm going to teach people how to most effectively count on their hands. Because base 10 and decimal system seems to be the simplest kind of number system to visualize and learn, and scientists have long, or scholars anyhow, have long thought that a big reason that we use base 10 and why it's so simple is because we have 10 fingers. And while that's true, just counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is not the most effective way to count on your hand. And maybe, just maybe, this method will help people. And that's what I like to try to do, is help people. Anyhow, so in order to best count on your hands, you have to understand base 10. And I have binary here because that's a later step that we'll do, just, I don't know, for kicks and giggles. Anyhow, base 10. What is base 10? Base 10 is decimal notation. You have symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the way that you should count on your hands, if you're someone who likes base 10, is you should start by having your fist, right? You got your fist and you've got your fingers covering up your thumb. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then once you get to 5, you're gonna wanna extend your thumb, bring down your fingers, and now you're at 5. All right, and then now you're at 6, 7, 8, 9, and now you've got your full hand up at 9. And it's important to me with this, and why I think it's like a, natural, easy, and very symbolic method, is because both times when you have all 4 of these fingers lifted, you're at a square number. You're either at 4, which is 2 squared, or you're at 9, which is 3 squared. Now, in order to take this the extra step, you would simply take this 9 and you'd convert down to 10. And now you've got your tens place right here. How funky is that? You have your ones place on your left hand, or whichever way you want. And then you have your tens place. And now you can keep it up. So now you're at 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then now you can very clearly keep track of, 2 fingers up on the tens hand. That means you're at 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. See, super easy, super simple. And then same thing once you get to, 49, now you're at 50. Now you can just keep going all the way up to 99, and then 100 would be complete. And then you can't really get past 100 using this method, just kind of how it works. There are other number-based methods that you can use. This is just a very simple and easy way to visualize it, because if you were to take this method and just use it, you can pretty much clearly know that this is 99, this is 59, this is 56, this is 66, It's kind of cool. Makes it easy. Now, I have binary on here because I think binary is how you get the furthest with this. And I promise you, I will not be flipping off the camera. It's just the way it is. So you can pretty much take this and apply it to the binary method by going something like, you got 1, and then you got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now you've got 16 right here, man. And you can do that entire process again to get to 32. And then, well, you do that for 32. And then if you follow the same principle, you got what? You've got, oh man. How many times can you do this thing? You can go 16 has all your fingers up. So correct me, math guys, if I'm wrong, but you'd basically take 32 times 16, right? No, it'd be bigger than that, right? No, 32 times 16 is... Right? Can you actually get up to 512 using this method? Would it be like, what you got, at this point you got 32, 64, 64 plus 32 is 96. It'll be 2 fingers up. 96 plus 32 is... I'm gonna take my word for it. So you can technically get 52 or 512, and I think you can go 16 more than that. But I think technically that's like the highest you can count using both your hands, using positional notation, right? Because you have, all right, let's work this out past this method, because this multiplication seems like it should be simple and probably the correct assessment. I'm just one of those people who either struggles with math outside of like numerology and stuff or whatever. But like basically if you have one finger up, 32, 64, 96, 128, 128, right? Yeah. That's 64. And that would be, yeah, that's 128. I'm gonna take the word for it. It's gotta be right. So you can get up to like 512 if you have the patience to use binary on both of your hands. You can absolutely, if you got the willpower and patience for it, I think you can absolutely count all the way up to that. My question is, why would you ever want to? No, it's possible, but what's the point? But anyhow, you know, being able to calculate up to 100 on your just 2 hands, I think is super simple and super nice. Anyway, that's just a helpful tip in case anybody wanted it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.